Hi, my name is Blaine Matthew, and I'm the CEO of Pratexo. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our Intelligent Edge innovation platform. Let's start with this. Imagine that you are Johnson, CEO of an energy company whose mission is to explore, extract, and process petroleum in the North Sea. Lars, his offshore installation manager, has a pretty tough job because he's dealing with highly complex technical systems that generate terabytes of data flowing in real time, much of it potentially unused because it can't possibly all be sent to the cloud. And the systems on the rig are in constant danger of going down, and the cost of any downtime is huge. Now, the good news is that the platform has Mary, its operations engineer, who spent nearly a decade helping to architect and then bring online a microcloud on the platform. The microcloud is made up of multiple resilient edge nodes supporting applications that can process most data locally on the rig. This keeps the data secure and private and enables actions to be taken by automated systems with nearly zero latency. And the system also provides a unified host for not just one, but multiple applications to run and connect to the rig's many systems and sensors. As those applications become increasingly intelligent and automated over time, updates and enhancements can be streamed out without having to re-architect the entire system. Unfortunately, there's a but, and it's a big one. What if you don't have a decade and nearly unlimited IT resources to make this happen? What if your architects and engineers aren't experienced in building such systems all the way to the edge? How do you cross the gulf between where you are today with edge computing and its tremendous benefits? That's where Pratexo comes in. Simply put, Pratexo is the intelligent edge innovation platform that simplifies and accelerates the design, provisioning, and management of the edge nodes and microclouds required to host next-generation applications. With the Pratexo platform, you quickly set up the software architecture that allows applications to run on or near the edge, close to where the data is generated. These edge nodes can be combined into what we call microclouds that can scale as the volumes of data grow and ensure the overall reliability of the system. There can even be multiple levels of microclouds that can extend all the way up to central clouds, providing a consistent computing environment from the far edge, where the devices and sensors exist, to the on-premises edge on ships, in buildings, in a manufacturing plant, or even on a 5G telco node, and then all the way to the cloud. So who needs Pratexo? Consider if the systems you are trying to run have any of these characteristics. Multiple siloed applications connected to disjointed data sources, running in complex environments with a large number of assets, devices, or sensors that are producing increasing amounts of data and where system reliability, data privacy, and security are paramount. And maybe your vision is to make these systems increasingly intelligent and autonomous over time. Well, these kind of systems and applications cut across many use cases and industries, but the common factor is if you need to take action on data in real time and you want to get there quickly with less risk of a failed project at the lowest initial and ongoing cost, in that case, you need Pratexo. Pratexo is unique because it combines three core elements you won't find in any other solution. First, our platform rapidly configures, provisions, and manages precisely the system of edge nodes and microclouds that are required to support your applications. The system is ready to evolve over time as your applications become increasingly intelligent, powered by AI and machine learning. And finally, our platform supports all modes of edge computing, from standalone edge processing to distributed computing, where the edge nodes collaborate together, all the way to ad hoc swarm computing. So no matter how complex your applications running on the edge are now or become in the future, they are supported by Pratexo. It's easy to think of Pratexo as having two components. First, it's an edge platform generator based around a highly flexible configuration engine. With Pratexo, you aren't locked into one single architecture. You're able to quickly configure exactly the edge computing and microcloud architecture you need to support your applications and your business needs. Second, once you've provisioned your system of applications running on Pratexo edge nodes and microclouds, the system helps you monitor and optimize it over time, ensuring it is always running at peak efficiency and evolving as new needs and capabilities arise. This ensures you will achieve the key benefits of edge computing: highly reliable systems that are scalable and fast, supporting low latency real-time applications that are more secure and protect the privacy of data, since more of it is processed locally, while reducing the massive cost of transporting, processing, and storing data in central clouds, and that actually realize the full benefits of IoT and AI, which cannot be accomplished only in the cloud. Let me end by briefly describing the case of one of our customers, Norway's Hallingdal Kraftnet, also known as HKN. You may not be aware, but Norway has the highest percentage of electric cars in the world. Now, this is great, but it puts an incredible strain on the electricity grid, especially when many people drive home in the evening and all plug their cars in to charge at the same time. And much of this grid operates remotely in the north, far from cities where human intervention is sometimes hours away. Despite these challenges, HKN must ensure its grid is always operating at peak efficiency. So it uses a series of edge nodes, each powered by Pratexo and running the Google Coral machine learning chip to run software at each transformer station. These nodes analyze many data feeds, including the sound that each transformer is making, and then use machine learning algorithms to predict if that sound means impending trouble. This allows HKN to take actions proactively to protect their grid, reducing maintenance costs, eliminate fines for outages, and ultimately helping Norway achieve its environmental, social, and governance goals. Next up for HKN, extending predictive maintenance all the way to microgrids and the residential edge. We can't wait to work with them on that project. At Pratexo, we have a big vision to transform the world in real time and help solve some of today's biggest challenges. We do this by unlocking the full potential of edge computing. And now you know why we call Pratexo the Intelligent Edge Innovation Platform. Would you like to join us on this incredible journey?